And it's that cold front that's prompted our Weather Authority alert day. We're not going to see wildfires out of it, but it is triggering a line of some pretty heavy rain that moves through this afternoon. In addition to that, some pretty strong wind gusts. Could have a few rumbles of thunder as well as it moves through later this afternoon. Any showers now, they're pretty light, especially as you go east of the Lynchburg area. Let's go ahead and zoom out the picture a little bit, and you can see that line starting to move into Kentucky and into West Virginia. It's prompted a tornado watch out there. I don't think we see anything like that, but it's quite electric farther to the west. I do think the lightning will drop off a little bit, but as I said, could see a few thunderstorms embedded within this line as we go into the afternoon. Ahead of that, we'll see a few isolated showers, probably not much thunder with that, but here we go toward about 1 p.m. and you see that line getting closer to the West Virginia border. From there toward Roanoke, about 2:30, 3 o'clock, that's when you start to see the heavier rain pushing through. Here's 5 p.m. and notice that line is mostly to the east of areas like Danville. But if you look toward the left-hand side of your screen, you see the colder air coming in. That's going to ride on some pretty strong wind gusts. So tonight, peak wind gusts between 30 and 50 miles per hour from Roanoke to the Highlands to the New River Valley. Farther south and east of that, wind gusts about 20 to 30 miles per hour. So high temperatures today ahead of that line of rain. They'll be in the 60s. First thing tomorrow morning, wind chills in the 20s in the Roanoke Valley. The mountains, you'll see highs today in the 60s, wind chills tomorrow morning in the teens. So we'll stay colder throughout the day tomorrow, a little breezy at times with sunshine. A little bit of rain is going to ride into the area Friday evening into Saturday morning. It'll be a chilly rain, not much wintry with that. And then beyond that, as that storm system moves offshore, days will get milder this weekend into next week. So the Climate Prediction Center's 6 to 10 day outlook reflecting that. The bulk of the cold hugging the western U.S. Meanwhile, the warmth is going to hug the eastern U.S. So at this point in time, I think we see temperatures in the 60s. Heading into next week, we see 60s again this afternoon. For the New River Valley, once that rain passes through, I could see 5 p.m. temperatures in the 40s. So it'll be a pretty quick drop in temps this afternoon and this evening. 20s the next two mornings, 40s the next two afternoons. We'll warm up Saturday after some morning showers, and we'll continue to see that warmth pumping in. Highs about 62 to 64 Sunday through at least next Tuesday. In the Roanoke Valley, mid to upper 60s today. That's ahead of that line of showers and storms. Beyond that, temps in the 20s and lower 30s the next two mornings. Highs then make it back into the 40s Friday before some showers move in. Beyond that, Saturday looking at highs upper 50s and lower 60s, and then 64 to 68. So the temperature seesaw continues as we head into the early part of March.